The Ventura Superior Court Self-Help Centers present information on ex parte or emergency hearings. This video is not intended as legal advice, and you should consult an attorney if you want personalized legal advice or strategy. To ask the court to make orders, you have to file a motion or request for order and give notice to the other parties in the case. The notice requirements to the other parties vary depending on the type of motion or request for order you are filing. If there is an emergency and you cannot wait until the regularly scheduled hearing date, you can request an ex parte hearing. Ex parte hearings are strongly discouraged by the court and should only be brought if it is a true emergency. There are certain rules and procedures that must be followed for an ex parte hearing. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. Prepare your forms. You will need to file declaration of ex parte notice, motion or request for order with supporting documents and declarations attached, and the proposed order. There may be forms you can use to request the ex parte hearing, or you may need to draft it yourself. You can contact the Self-Help Center for information about available forms you can use. Step 2. Set your ex parte hearing. Most ex parte hearings must be scheduled through the judge's secretary. When scheduling your hearing, you must tell the judge's secretary the specific issues you will ask the court to address at the hearing. The secretary will give you the date and time of the hearing. If you are seeking an emergency hearing for a restraining order, you should check with the Self-Help Center or the clerk's office for information on setting the hearing. Step 3. Give notice to the other parties. Except in exceptional circumstances, the other parties in the case must be notified about the ex parte hearing no later than 10 a.m. the court day before the hearing. The other party can be notified by calling, leaving a voicemail or message, in writing, or telling them in person. For example, they have to be notified no later than 10 a.m. on Wednesday for a Thursday hearing. For a Monday hearing, they have to be notified no later than 10 a.m. the court day before, usually the previous Friday. When giving notice, the other parties must be told the date, time, court address, courtroom number, and the specific orders you will ask the court to make at the hearing. Include a case number if you have one. Whoever gives the notice to the other parties must complete a separate declaration re ex parte notice, Form VN-028 for each party. If you gave notice in writing, you must attach a copy of the writing to the declaration. If you are giving notice to a person who has a restraining order against you, you will not be able to give the ex parte notice yourself. You will need to find another adult to give the notice on your behalf. If you are unable to give notice or give shorter notice to the other parties, you still need to complete a declaration re ex parte notice and provide the court with information as to why you could not give proper notice of the hearing. Step 4. Make copies and file with the clerk of the court. Once your forms are completed and notice has been given to the other parties, you will need to make a copy of your forms and file the original and one copy in the clerk's office. You must file your forms in time for the judge to review your request before the hearing. The court strongly encourages filing by 12 p.m. noon, the court day before your ex parte hearing. Your forms are filed at the clerk's office. Check the court website for hours and information. You should arrive at the clerk's office as early as possible to ensure your forms are filed on time. If you arrive right before closing, the clerk may not be able to file your forms. There may be a filing fee to file your ex parte request. If you already have a fee waiver on file, this may cover the fee. If you would like to apply for a fee waiver, you would need to submit a completed request to waive court fees, Form FW001, an order on court fee waiver, Form FW003 at the time of filing. Step 5. Serve a copy. After your forms are filed, a copy must be served on the other parties before the hearing. They are entitled to review your forms before the ex parte hearing. The copy can be served by email, personal delivery, fax, or overnight delivery. Step 6. Prepare for your ex parte hearing. Some ex parte requests are decided on the filed paperwork only, and the court may not call your case for hearing. Even if the court does not call the case, you still must appear at the hearing date and time. Remote appearances may be available for your hearing. Remote appearances are when you appear for the hearing via a phone call or video conference. You should ask the judge's secretary if they are allowed for that courtroom. Be on time. If you are not present when the court calls your case, your request may not be heard by the court. Bring a pen and paper to write down notes and the judge's ruling. It is your responsibility to present your case to the court. Prior to your hearing, you may want to consult with a private attorney for legal advice and assistance with strategy and evidentiary issues. Review all of the information in your ex parte request and any responses you have received. Write notes on what you want to say in court. Links to the relevant rules and orders relating to ex parte hearings can be found below in the video description. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact the Self-Help Centers. We are here to help you every step of the way.